Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts. Welcome to the mystery box unboxing. I actually broke down and I finally got a mystery box. A little bit of FOMO from the last one that happened. It was a really good one, the last one, and I've been seeing everyone post what they've been getting, and I'm really excited to kind of see what I got. I haven't opened it yet. I just got it a little while ago, so I'm really curious to see what's in there. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing here real quick because I'm dying to see what's in this. Okay, so just to show you, I mean, look, it's not open. It's not open at all. It's 20 pounds. It's about 20 pounds. So what I'm gonna do, I need a knife. I'm not gonna peek in. I'm not gonna peek into this because I wanna see what's going on inside here. So let's take a look. So I think what I wanna do is I want to, I think I just want to cut a corner open here. Well, let me go down this way first. Oh, I don't want to cut into the box itself. Hold on, there's one right there, so we gotta be careful. Eek. Okay, and that may not be big enough. I want to create the opening big enough to where I can get one out, but I want to reach in and grab it before I can actually see, before I know what it is. Okay, all right, so I've got one. Got one. Okay, first mystery box I have in here. Oh my God, it's a duck one. Holy crap, Dreamy Workspace. Never actually thought I would do a Dreamy Workspace one. Not particularly one that I go after, but I'm glad that I got it. Everyone is obsessed with these ducks. They're absolutely obsessed with the ducks. I like it. Let's see, in here, it's 39 by 22, 39 inches by 22 inches, or 98.8 centimeters by 55.8 centimeters. We have 84 colors in this one with 2 ABs and 4 fairy dust diamonds, total of 88,928 diamonds. Okay, so Dreamy Workspace. This will be a fun one to do. Let's see what the next one is. And as you can see, my hand is going in here. I have no idea what I'm getting ready to pull out. What's it gonna be? Oh, it's a cardinal. Oh, nice. Okay, it is a Christmas one. I've been seeing a lot of Christmas ones. The Joy of Winter Cardinal. Very nice. Okay, you know what? I'm okay with this one. The reason why I'm okay with this one is cardinals are actually very beautiful. Even though I just recently relocated to the UK, found out cardinals are not over here at all. So this will give me a little taste of home. 22 inches by 28 inches, or 55.6 centimeters by 70.7 centimeters. We have 71 colors total, 1 AB, 3 fairy dust diamonds, with a total of 51,914. So this is a pretty small one. This is a decently small one. Oh, and it's rounds too. Okay, all right. I like this one. Okay. Okay, so I ordered 2, so I should have a total of 6 in here. So that was 2. I've got 1, 2, 3. I do have 4 more. I have 2 taller ones, 3 tall ones, and another short one. So let's do the other short one first. God, I'm so nervous. Woo, what is it? Yes! Yes! I was so hoping for this one. Honey Booze! Honey Booze! I got Honey Booze! Oh, okay, all right. Yay! I've been seeing this one all over the place. It's 29 inches by 22 inches. Oh, I'm so thrilled about this. I'm so happy. It has 59 colors, 3 ABs, and 3 fairy dust diamonds. So a total of 54,136 diamonds. This one is so cute, you guys. This is great. This was a brilliant, absolutely brilliant mystery box. They did really good on this one. I'm happy with these 3 so far. All right, guys, we're gonna interrupt here real quick with the mystery box that we're unboxing. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. do want to let you know that I am now an affiliate of Diamond Art Club. There is a code down below, and I will flash it up on the screen, RYANSCANDLESCRAFTS, which will give you $10 off your next order. Go ahead and click on that link in the description down below. It takes you to Diamond Art Club website, and you'll be able to use the code, or you can just type the code in when you go to checkout. Using that code, again, gives you $10 off and helps support the channel. Thank you guys so much for everything that you do. Let's get back into it. All right, okay, so these are my 3 big ones that are coming out here. Let's go with, not that one. That one feels kind of heavy. I'm enjoying doing this. Let's go with this one. This is, oh, yes, yes. Oh my God, you guys, yes. This is the Phoenix. Yes, so happy. Oh my God. It's 25.6 inches by 25.6 inches, or 65 by 65 centimeters. How beautiful is this one? Okay, 80 colors with 3 ABs and 3 fairy dust diamonds. Oh, I was so worried. I was so worried I wasn't gonna get this one. I'm so happy. 68,121 diamonds. Wow. Wow, okay, all right. All right. This is also why you shouldn't pay attention to the Facebook groups when you order a mystery box, because you got your hopes set for something, and you really want it, and then if you don't get it, you're gonna be disappointed. Okay, all right, I've got 2 left. I'm really hoping for the actual mystery kit itself, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna get that one. We'll see. All right, here's number 5. Okay, all right, Crafty Cat. We got Crafty Cat. I had a feeling I was gonna get this one. Don't know why, but I had a feeling I was gonna get this one. By Brigitte Ashwood, 33.9 inches by 25.6 inches, or 85.9 centimeters by 65 centimeters. This one isn't too bad. 65 colors with 4 ABs and 4 fairy dust diamonds. Total of 90,045. I had a feeling I was going to get Crafty Cat. I don't know why, but I had a feeling I was going to. But you know what? That's okay. This, when I look at the picture of it, it's very intricate. This is going to be a lot of confetti, I think, in this one. But I'm still happy. I'm still happy with it. Okay. All right, last one. And if you keep seeing me darting over this way, my actual, like, what I can see of myself is sitting over here. So, anyway. Okay. Last one. What's it gonna be? Yes! I got it! I got the mystery kit. Okay. Oh, nature animals. Okay. I had a feeling this was gonna be it. It was heavy. And I said, that's why I wanted this to be the last one. I was just feeling around. And I thought, well, let's just wait till last. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, look at this. It's green. It's a great green color. I love it. Okay, so it's 40.6 inches by 27.6 inches by Image World, or 102 centimeters, 102.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a look to see what Image World has to offer. It's 89 colors total, 4 ABs, and 6 fairy dust diamonds, with a total of 116,053 diamonds. The one I was hoping for the most. I'm very happy with this kit. I'm extremely happy with this kit. But if we would have switched the cat out with the one by Acular Studios, that would have been fantastic. Maybe I'll get it eventually. We'll see. I'll look to some D-stashes and see what's going on there. The problem with the D-stash, though, is that they're very, very pricey. But I am excited for this. I'm really excited for this. I cannot thank Diamond Art Club enough for putting this mystery box together. I am so happy with this one. I'm really happy with this one. This is great. This is really great. I'm happy. I'm really happy. I hope you guys got what you really wanted. I really do. I hope you didn't get bombed with too much. I hope this didn't persuade you away from, you know, getting yourself a mystery kit here in the future. So I am a fan. I will probably be getting one here in the future again. All right, everyone, and that is our mystery box. If you want me to do an unboxing of any of these, go ahead and comment down below which one do you want me to do first. that's all we have today. Thank you guys for joining me on this fun adventure. Unboxing videos will happen soon. Definitely going to dive into this mystery kit here very, very quickly once I'm done with this Hogwarts crest. And then we'll kind of go from there. Until next time, everyone, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.